Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni athiite nambere na gukorwo kuhurira ndebe bururi wa Kenya ari gitumiro kia mieke ya wonjoria thiini wa Iceera riake ya mwena wa New Jersey bururi-ini wa USA. Na Ruto ni athingatite onjoria gukorwo magiuka aria othe makoragwo mabururi ma nanja na nigetha makorwo makiigithia thiini wa bururi wa Kenya na nigetha tukorwo tukihimbiria wonjoria oro hamwe kurehe uthii wa nambere.
We're very proud as Kenyans, and I'm very proud as a Kenyan leader that you've come all the way, you've hustled your way into this great investment. Where Kevin comes from, that is where all humanity started. The home of humankind is in Kenya. So find time to come home, all of you, the people who come from Asia, the people who come from America and other places. Please find your way to Kenya, that is home, and you will feel very special. So thank you very much. I do not want to say more than that. Again, to Kevin and your team, congratulations. Our very best wishes as you continue to invest in this country and build a bridge between America and the US and the rest of the world, because in any case we are one humanity.